Here, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, look, it's a substantial wind. Oh, wow, wait. It's really blowing out here. So you see that? Yep. It's really blowing. Yep. Whoa. Yes, indeed, bro. What not Shamika doing? Nah, you. I'm back on there. So I'm back on the air, y'all. That one was blowing hard, you know. Let me wipe this lens. All right. Yes, indeed, bro. I went off the air temporarily. Well, let's go back over here. Back here we go. Look at all this debris. Do y'all see all this debris here? Leaves and stuff. Yeah, that's debris right here. You know. Yeah. Yeah. That hurricane is hit. Yes, indeed, bro. And we outside the cone. And I did say it doesn't mean we dodging a bullet, but we didn't dodge a bullet. We hit the bullet. You know? Yep. I'm back on the air, y'all. Okay. I'm glad to be back on the air. Stuff like that. Oh. All right. See y'all on the next. No. Let me go back on this side. Whoa. Well, no, we ain't gonna go back on this side. Let's go around the front. Go back over here. No buses running it right now, you know. Okay. Well, y'all already know it ain't no buses is running. Golly, look like something changed out here. All them leaves and stuff is gone. The branches hanging over power lines and stuff. Oh my God, they're hanging over power. Oh, they're hanging over power lines and stuff, and it's wind blowing hard. Yep. Yep. All right. So anyway, y'all, I mean, this is some hard ass wind, very hard, you know. So if some of y'all can hit me right now, I mean, this is something here, you know. I have to come back on the air, you know. I think one more hour till it's blow over, you know, a couple of more hours or something like that. I have no time for no interview if possible, okay? All right. All right. Oh, yeah, it blew up one of the roofs, you know? Oh, I barely caught that. I barely caught that because it must have came off that roof or what. I don't know. I really don't know because it's just like Katrina when them towers was coming off the roofs in the St. Bernard project, and that's where I'm at right now, the St. Bernard. You know? All right. I was on the back, but it's kind of drier right here, you know. So way I think about it, y'all. I mean, if I would have known I wanted to go out here, I could have had my raincoat, you know. If I would have had my raincoat, I would have, you know, I would have definitely walk out here, you know. I sure would have, you know. Yeah, I'm mad that I had my raincoat. Mad that I had my raincoat. So I'm gonna walk on safe, but yeah, again. Okay. All right. I mean, it kept cutting off because I don't know why. I really don't know why. I literally don't know why it's keep cutting off. You know. Talking about the live stream, not back on the air again, back live again. Ain't that something? It sure taking longer and longer and longer for this to stop. Longer and longer as always, you know. Is it always? Yeah, the winds sound like it's strengthening, you know. I heard something. Oh, there must be the door over there. You know. That was my phone in case y'all heard anything. Cause I remember for Katrina, they had people looting and stuff. I remember that. And somebody loot shoes. What the hell you gonna do with some shoes, you fool? Looting shoes. What the hell you gonna loot shoes for? And TVs and stuff. Oh, I assume that towel right there came from up here. Yep. All right. You know, some people evacuated for good reasons, you know? Yep. You evacuated. You did right. You know. You did the right thing no matter what. You know. With the Texas, y'all won't be without this or that. Yeah, that's very understandable. That's very understandable. All right. About to start this live stream and do the recording on this phone. And when I come back, I'm gonna turn the camera sideways.